And welcome guys to a new how to Android video. This is channel when I show you how to download games for free. And uh, first of all, I need to say to subscribe this channel, like this video and other videos. Uh, uh, Subscribe it to help me to get to many subscribers. First of all, I want to get 50 or 100 subscribers. Help me at this, because I'll show you how to download and install games for free. And second, in all videos, I promise I will get you um, really two ways to download games for free. I don't do like some YouTubers. So many YouTubers gives you two ways, but many of them are not. I will be one of them who will gives you um, two tips for download and install game, and third, you can write me in comments what game you want to I show you how to install it free, and if I can and if I know how, I will show you. So, and 5 or 14 is I give you some tips here, but there are many other tips that works for games. So Geometry Dash was first, and there are many ways that worked, but this I show you in last video. And yes, that's it. So today I will show you how to install Microsoft maybe completed games. One of them is Minecraft Story Mode Season 2, because this game was got in the market in last year, and it cost a lot. So because Geometry Dash don't cost a lot, but this costs more than Geometry Dash. So first of all, to download and install Minecraft Story Mode Season 2 is to write in your Google EC Market and go here on first link and click download AC Market, and here on this window click download. And yes, I don't do that because I already installed it. So when you download it, go and install it, go to AC Market, it's here, and write Minecraft, or if you want to write it correctly, Minecraft Remote Season 2, and that way you can also install Minecraft Story Mode for free, or maybe not, I don't know. But this is for Minecraft Story Mode Season 2, so I don't want to do other stuff. And then, if you write just Minecraft, you will need to go on the bottom and click it, and click install. I don't do that because I already do it. And when you do that, go here, you see left from search tab, and click it, download measurement, and it will be here on first track, but I already installed it, and this is on second track, on installed track. So when you click install and go there in installing, you will first get this Minecraft Story Mode Season 2, but not data. Data is you need to wait longer to install it. So this is first Minecraft Story Mode Season 2. There is no blue text data. Will install fast, and when you install it, don't open it because it will doesn't work without data. But when you install data, so where in the data will write installed, then open Minecraft Story Mode Season 2. It is here, and um, do and wait, and the game will open, but you will get just episode 1. Not just episode 1, you all episodes are processed here in this install, but you need to download it. So I already download episode 2. Actually, episode 1 is installed when you open the game, but other episode you will need to install. So you see processed on episode 3 and episode 4 and episode 5, processed but don't download it. And then you can go on this and click download episode 3. You will wait to just and will download, and it will be downloading. I will not show you how is this downloading because it will just downloading. I don't know what the time, and it is what do you have internet? You're fast of internet. So I hope I'll help you. I really help you because I show you how to install Minecraft Remote Season 2 all episodes for free, and I hope you will enjoy. Give me the like and subscribe, and I will show you some other games.